Young stunner, nigga. Rich gang, gang,
Like that. Know what I'm saying? Fuck up.
Nigga playing with my wood, they have me ride. She say that pussy wet, so I'ma slide. She pull up and fuck the crew like she conniving. Hey, come on over, baby.
Yeah, hopped out the passenger side with my strap. From 50 to 100, we moving and serve that. We shining every summer, spin numbers and bounce back. Lil' Woody about that action, we pull up is about that. When I came around, I put it down. On front line, I did mine. Hustle life, we built this. Had a block bumping like a second line. Cut niggas, them cuts, niggas, them projects where cuts, nigga. Play around, you get cut, nigga. Get put down, I won't cut, nigga, no lame. Born rich and dangerous. High life and famous. Big Macs and them straps, nigga. Play around and get smashed, nigga.
Know what I'm saying? Fuck up.
Nigga playing with my wood, they have me ride. She say that pussy wet, so I'ma slide. She pull up and fuck the crew like she conniving. Hey, come on over, baby.
73 Chevelle, put that shit together. Married to the money, yeah, we live together. Right. Love my F&N, but still keep that Beretta. Made it to the top and I ain't use a ladder. Ran up a check. Let that shit around, then I go collect. Made it out the hood, now I'm on TV. Posted with Young Thugger, sipping GTV. Smoking on the headband, nigga, I'm a stoner. Went from hanging on the corner to hanging with owners. Yeah, it's the jug, man, for niggas who don't know me. Word. I just did a feature when it got the rest. Know what I'm saying? Fuck up.
Nigga playing with my wood, they have me ride. She say that pussy wet, so I'ma slide. She pull up and fuck the crew like she conniving. Hey, come on over, baby.
Hey man, we really have a lot on right around the spot, you know what I'm saying? Nigga, then I ain't getting some blood. Some slime, fool.
Believe that.
Fuck you mean?
Pussy nigga.
Now it's called speed on them. I got bitches in the spot calling me D on it. I'm bouncing it like a